Um, I will show how Cake can be used to find bugs in C code. So Cake is a C front end. It also works as a static analyzer. The code I will show here is from the book, the C Programming Language Second Edition, page 145. This sample from the book have bugs in this function, install function. We have two bugs in this function. I will start formatting the code because I think this is too hard to find the problems. But I just want to show the original formatting as well because I think it helps. It doesn't help actually. Okay, so the bug this sample have is a memory leak here because we may allocate successfully this pointer here, and then it will not return here, and it will go to the allocate the name, and then if the name fails, then it didn't release the previous allocated memory from here. Actually, I also should say something about this sample. This sample is about hash map or hash table. And what this install function does, we pass a key for the hash map and a value. If the key is found inside the map, if it's not found inside the map, then a new entry is added. Otherwise, the existing entry is changed. The value is changed. Okay, I said there is two bugs. So one is the memory leak here, and the other one is kind of a bad state because we may have added a new entry in the table here, and then when we try to set the value of the entry, the new entry, it can fail, but the item inserted will not be removed, so the item will have a new value and will report fail, but so the state is kind of invalid. To fix this code, we use Cake, and adding this pragma will enable all the checks. Cake also have extensions that works as annotation for the type system. So let's start. The objective here is fixing all the warnings, and at some point the problems we had on this code will have to go away, removing the warnings. So the first warning we have is because malloc returns a owner pointer, and this case is removing the qualifier owner and leaking the memory returned by malloc. So what we need to do, we need to annotate this pointer as an owner because it will receive the result of malloc. The ownership will be transferred for this pointer. And also because malloc can returns null, we need to annotate that this pointer can be null. For this we use the qualifier opt. Okay, so we remove the warning here, but the compiler is complaining now that we have no owner pointer from lookup assigned to owner. This is not valid. To fix, we need to use this pointer only for when the ownership is transferred. And for lookup, we can create a new one that's not owner but can be new. So this is what we can do here. And then we check for this pointer here. So the lookup function, we pass the name and it returns entry in the map or null. We also need to annotate it here that this function can return null. Okay, this error now is 38. Here, okay, this is the same error. When we duplicate the name, we also have to transfer the ownership for a variable. So we need to annotate name as an owner as well. And we do this here. The same for the text, the value. And here we need to make a decision if we want name to be optional or null. The answer is no. We don't want, we need a name for the key, and we need a value. Value is not optional. Okay, and we have two entries for lookup. I will remove. Let's go ahead. Now the compiler is complaining on line 39 that we return null, but functions doesn't allow null, so we need to annotate the result as optional. This hash val here is used just here, so I will move to make the code clear. So this is the current situation. Now we don't have any P here, we have only P, and here as well we have any P. And then we can assign it P for the new one. The problem here is this cast is removing the ownership, because free needs free. The pointer we pass to free must be an owner pointer, and this cast is removing that. So we can fix just removing the cast. And here the problem is we said the name cannot be null, but strdup can return null. So the compiler is complaining that a possible null is assignment to a pointer that cannot be null. So we need to fix that. But I want to show here, before we continue, that the bug, the memory leak, is here. So the compiler is already presenting the memory leak. It says the NP allocated here is not deleted, move it before the end of the lifetime that happens on this return here. So let's continue. To fix this problem, we need to put the name here in a temporary string. That's the owner and can be new. I will call new name. So if pointer or new name is null, we have an error, but we have to release the previous NP. I think we don't need to release a new name here, because if it's null, let's check. Okay, we need to free both. One of them can be null. Okay, let's see this one. If it's null, then we are here. If it's not null, then we are here, and it can be null. New name. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it's correct. The error here for this line is because #tab is a external variable. It's declared here, and we assume that they can be in any state. Oh no, sorry. This is the error here is because name is initialized. I forgot to set the name here. I forgot just to this name, new name. And now, okay, now we have a different error. It's saying that def is not initialized, and we are assigning to something. So this is also dangerous. We need to set this variable before that is happening here. So basically what I will do, I will do the same thing I did for new name, I will do for next variable. I will allocate it new value here. Actually, we can write one test here. And delete everything. Then we remove the problem. 42. Okay, I make a mistake and the compiler is showing me. So this is good as well. This is the correct and this is the correct. And now the compiler is complaining that this line, the NP variable was not moved. This is because we need to annotate that #tab is the owner of this pointer. And optional. Okay, and now it's complaining that this object may have some pointer here, and then we could be overriding that pointer, creating a memory leak. To fix this, we can override the state saying that this value is null, or using search. actually asserts not working, so I will return. Should work, but I will use different way to override. Maybe because new here. Okay, now this is the same problem. This can be null, but we don't accept null anymore. So I will just copy this code here to here. But we don't need to, we cannot leave the pointer here null, initialized in case of error. So we need to, it's better to do this here. And then we have a new, the code now fixed with no leaks. And I hope this was enough to see how Cake works and what kind of problem it can detect. It's not perfect, it's a work in progress. We have other kinds of memory leaks that is not ready, is not catching, mainly in structs, in arrays. It's still a problem, but we can see that we have good results already. So thanks for watching, and feel free to try Cake compiler online. Thank you.